security side, we are still, all our units, all our officers, all the troops on ground are reporting normal and calm. They have not yet got any major incident that could attract the attention of the highest authority. So we are still, in terms of security, we are still secure, we are still safe. We are still receiving pilgrims from different places. As per our reports, the deployments are all on ground. We have different units, the joint deployment of police, the army, and all as per the task that were given, all are doing their work. You have seen we have brought in even other capabilities of the air. We are also surveying, doing surveillance using the air. So more equipment will be, you will be seeing them as the days go nearer the D-Day. So by close of midnight, yes, this morning midnight, on the side of security, we registered about 20,000 pilgrims. That is on the both worship center, that is the Anglican center and the Catholic worship center. But we are still waiting for the report again around midnight. On the side of criminality, we got total cases that were reported were 28. On the Catholic worship center, theft of phones were 13, theft in general were 11, malicious damage was 1, being in possession of narcotics 1, stealing from a person, stealing money from a person 1. And on the Anglican worship center, only had one case of theft. So those cases are being investigated by our CID, and we have made 15 arrests. They are still in our custody at Kira Division Police Cells. But so far, we are very happy that everything is going as per plan in terms of security. We only want to advise people who are coming here that please come knowing that security is there. But if you are coming here with intention of trying to disrupt the celebrations that are going on or that are going on here, please do not try, do not attempt, because we are on the ground. We shall arrest you and take you where you belong, and that is in cells and courts of law. We thank our officers who are working tirelessly to see that they provide security for people who are coming to celebrate. That is both police officers, the army, the intelligence agencies, whatever is doing security work here. We really appreciate whatever somebody is putting in terms of security.
I have one